Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the Rural Health Centre RHC at Myriaw in East and West Khasi Hills in the presence of Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri and Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi. Highlighting healthcare as a challenging sector, the Chief Minister emphasized the government's efforts over the past 7 years to improve rural healthcare and noted Meghalaya's highest health budget allocation at 9%. The RHC funded by Rs 38.8 lakh from CMSDF with an additional 38 lakh of rupees to be released, serves 21 villages and is operated by the Dr. H.G. Roberts Hospital, Shillong. This is the fourth such RHC run by the hospital in the state. The Chief Minister praised community collaborations like that of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital and announced support for upgrading their Shillong hospital with laser lithotripsy services.
The inauguration of the Rural Health Centre.
Welcome. I am Dr. Mark. Okay. So this is our way and after the patient is here, they will be called to the doctor's consultation.
But this gives me great pleasure, a great sense of happiness, and a great sense of satisfaction to be here amongst all of you to witness the inauguration of this Rural Health Centre. I must thank Reverend S.S. Myriaw, someone I have been very closely associated with, someone who has guided me in different situations, and the person who has pushed me, I should say, to ensure that I am here today. It is he who approached and asked me for funds, along with, of course, other members. And therefore, I really appreciate and would once again put on record a deep sense of appreciation for Reverend S.S. Myriaw for having taken the initiative because of which we are all present here today. Friends, health sector has been one of the most challenging sectors for us as a government and as a society. In the last 7 years, our government has made taken number of steps to bring reformation to the health sector. I'm happy to inform you that our government spends 9% of its budget on health sector. To give it in perspective of the nation, the Meghalaya government is the highest spender in terms of percentage of the budget in the entire country. So 9% is what we spend, which is the highest compared to any other state in the country.